1. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Price: $25,000. Located: Wind Ridge, PA. This 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova is a purpose-built pro street and drag-ready machine that combines classic styling with serious performance upgrades. Under the hood, it features a freshly built 406 small block Chevy engine paired with a brand new Speedmaster 671 blower, delivering impressive horsepower and aggressive throttle response. The setup is designed for high performance, making it ideal for both track use and street presence. The drivetrain includes a reliable 2-speed Powerglide transmission equipped with a Pro-style trans brake, allowing for controlled launches and consistent performance on the strip. Supporting electronics include an MSD ignition system with a 2-step launch control and line lock, giving the driver enhanced control during staging and burnouts. The chassis is built by Chris Alston, known for strength and race-ready engineering, ensuring stability under high-power conditions. Rolling on brand new 33-inch slicks, this Nova has the traction needed to handle its output. It currently runs on alcohol, but can be converted to pump gas if desired. This car is a solid, ready-to-run classic with flexibility for customization or trade options. 2. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price: $32,000. Located: Milton, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a dedicated race car built for serious drag strip performance, offering an aggressive setup and high horsepower output. Under the hood sits a massive 565 cubic inch big block engine running on alcohol injection, producing an estimated 900 to 1,000 horsepower. This level of power makes the car highly competitive and capable of delivering intense acceleration and strong track performance. The drivetrain is matched with a 2-speed automatic transmission equipped with a 5,500 stall converter, allowing for optimal launch characteristics and efficient power transfer. Out back, the car features a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.30 gears, ensuring durability and the ability to handle extreme torque under racing conditions. Inside, the car has a lightweight aluminum race interior designed to reduce weight and improve performance. This setup reflects its purpose-built nature, focusing on speed and function rather than comfort. The overall build is intended for racing enthusiasts who want a powerful and straightforward machine ready for the track. This Chevelle SS represents a no-compromise race build with strong mechanical components and serious horsepower, making it an ideal choice for experienced racers or collectors seeking a high-performance classic drag car. 3. 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. Price: $99,000. Located: Pasadena, Maryland. This 1967 Chevrolet Malibu is an exceptional custom-built machine designed for high-performance racing and show-quality presentation. Built on a professional 25.2 chassis, this car represents a no-expense-spared project where every component has been carefully selected and engineered for maximum performance and reliability. With only minimal miles since completion, it remains in near-new condition and showcases top-tier craftsmanship throughout. Powering this Malibu is a massive 572 cubic inch engine built by CNC Motorsport, featuring a 10-to-1 static compression ratio and a high-performance blower system. The engine is further enhanced by twin 1471 Pro System superchargers running on E85 fuel, delivering extreme horsepower and aggressive acceleration. AFR CNC 385 cylinder heads, along with a Jezzel belt drive system and Pro Series rockers, ensure precision and durability under high-stress conditions. The drivetrain is equally impressive, featuring a strange rear end with gun-drilled axles, 40-spline configuration, and 4.29 Pro gears for optimal power transfer. Paired with a high-performance FTI transmission and converter, this setup is built to handle serious racing demands. This Malibu is a fully professional build that combines raw power, advanced engineering, and show-stopping presence in one remarkable package. 4. 1967 Ford Mustang GT Tube Chassis Race Car. Price: $38,500. Located: Uniontown, Ohio. This 1967 Ford Mustang GT is a fully built tube chassis race car engineered for serious drag racing performance. Designed with precision and strength in mind, it features a certified 6.0 Sportsman chrome moly chassis, ensuring structural rigidity and safety at high speeds. The steel body is complemented by lightweight fiberglass doors and fenders, helping reduce overall weight while maintaining a classic muscle car appearance. Under the hood, this Mustang is powered by a massive 540 big block Chevy engine, delivering incredible horsepower and torque. Paired with a 5-speed G-force clutchless transmission, the drivetrain offers lightning-fast shifts and efficient power delivery, making it highly competitive on the strip. The car has proven its performance capabilities with recorded runs in the 8.40 range, showcasing its serious racing potential. Suspension is handled by Koni coilovers, providing excellent stability and control during high-speed passes. The car sits on racing slicks with minimal use, ensuring optimal traction and readiness for competition. With an approximate weight of 2,650 pounds including driver, this Mustang offers an impressive power-to-weight ratio. This is a complete, race-ready vehicle built for enthusiasts who demand performance, precision, and proven results. 5. 1973 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $26,000. Located, Fredericksburg, Virginia. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a powerful street and strip machine that blends modern performance technology with classic muscle car appeal. Under the hood, it features a freshly built 6.0-liter LS engine equipped with a twin-turbo setup, delivering an impressive 800 horsepower at 13 psi. The engine is enhanced with 823 ported heads, a BTR turbo cam, and a Holley high ram intake system, ensuring strong airflow and consistent high-performance output. The drivetrain includes a 6L80 automatic transmission paired with a 2,800 stall converter, providing smooth shifting and excellent drivability whether on the street or at the track. Power is transferred to a durable strange rear end, built to handle the high horsepower this Nova produces. Despite its aggressive setup, the car runs and drives great, making it a versatile option for enthusiasts who want both speed and usability. The exterior stands out with a bold purple finish, while the overall build reflects a clean and well-maintained condition. Although often shown without a hood, it is included and fits properly even with the high-rise intake system. This Nova is a turnkey high-horsepower build that offers modern LS power in a classic platform, making it a standout choice for performance enthusiasts. 6. 1993 Ford Mustang Roller. Price: $13,500. Located, MT Airy MD. This 1993 Ford Mustang hatchback roller is a serious race-ready platform built with high-quality components and designed for competitive drag racing. It comes with a clean and clear title, featuring an all-steel body and full glass, making it a solid foundation for a high-performance build. The car is equipped with a professionally installed 25.5 certified mild steel cage, ensuring safety and compliance for track use. The chassis is loaded with premium parts including a strange 9-inch rear end with a back brace, 40 spline axles, and a strange ultra-center section. Suspension components include double adjustable shocks, anti-roll bar setup, and tubular front end components with rack and pinion steering. It also features Wilwood front brakes and a strange master cylinder for reliable stopping power. Inside, the car is outfitted with a raceback dash, Kirky seat, and a full switch panel wiring system. Additional features include beadlock wheels, parachute setup, and high-end racing components throughout. While it is not a show car, it offers exceptional value with many expensive parts already installed. This Mustang Roller is ideal for someone looking to complete a serious drag car project with a strong and well-equipped base. 7. 1986 Buick Regal Grand Sport. Price: $30,000. Located, Browns Summit, North Carolina. This 1986 Buick Regal Grand Sport is a GNX clone built for both street enjoyment and strip performance, offering a unique combination of style and power. Under the hood, it features a professionally built big block Chevy engine paired with a reinforced Powerglide transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. The engine was built by a reputable racing engine builder, with documentation available for serious buyers. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 35 spline axles and QA1 coilover suspension, ensuring durability and excellent handling under high-power conditions. The car also includes a chromoly 6-point roll cage, making it suitable for track use with minimal additional certification requirements. This Regal stands out with its clean black paint, rated highly for its condition, and a custom exhaust system that delivers a deep and distinctive sound. It rides on professionally bead-locked wheels and features a newly installed high-performance fuel system for consistent power delivery. This build offers a balance of show-quality appearance and race-ready performance, making it a standout pro-street vehicle ready to impress on the road or track. 8. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $42,500. Located: Willow Street, Pennsylvania. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a bold pro-street build that combines classic muscle car styling with serious big block performance. Under the hood sits a massive 540 cubic inch big block engine, delivering extreme horsepower and aggressive acceleration. Paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, this drivetrain is built to handle high power while providing smooth and reliable performance on both street and strip. The car is equipped with a durable Ford 9-inch rear end, ensuring strength and stability under heavy loads. This setup is ideal for handling the immense torque produced by the big block engine, making it a dependable choice for performance enthusiasts. The Pro Street stance is enhanced by its wide rear setup and aggressive look, giving it strong road presence and excellent traction. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a matching orange interior, this Camaro stands out both visually and mechanically. The clean title and solid condition make it a turnkey option for those looking to own a powerful and iconic American muscle car. This Camaro is a well-built machine that offers a perfect blend of classic design, modern performance upgrades, and show-stopping appeal. 9. 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price: $39,000. Located: Holtsville, New York. This 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a versatile muscle car that blends street drivability with race-inspired performance. Powered by a strong small block 400 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this car offers an engaging driving experience and solid power delivery. The setup makes it suitable for both cruising and spirited performance use. The car features a full roll cage, adding structural rigidity and safety, especially for those interested in track or performance driving. Despite its performance upgrades, it retains the classic look and feel of a vintage Malibu, making it appealing to both collectors and enthusiasts. With a clean title and a well-maintained overall condition, this Malibu is ready to be enjoyed as is or further customized. The vehicle also presents flexible trade options, making it attractive for buyers looking to exchange for other classic or modern performance vehicles. This Malibu offers a balance of classic muscle styling and functional upgrades, making it a solid choice for those who want a dependable and customizable classic car. 10. 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT. Price: $36,900. Located: Anvil, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT convertible is a rare and desirable classic, offering both historical significance and enjoyable driving performance. Equipped with a strong 390 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this car delivers a traditional muscle car driving experience with plenty of power and responsiveness. As one of a limited number of pace car models, this Cyclone GT stands out as a collectible piece of automotive history. The vehicle features a fiberglass hood and a well-preserved exterior, complemented by a clean red and white color combination that enhances its classic appeal. The car runs strong and drives smoothly, making it suitable for both weekend cruising and car show appearances. Its rarity and condition make it especially appealing to collectors who value originality and unique models from the era. With a clean title and solid mechanical condition, this Mercury offers a great opportunity to own a distinctive and well-maintained classic convertible with both style and performance. 11. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price: $21,000. Located: Saxton, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a race-ready machine built for serious drag strip performance while still maintaining the aggressive styling of a classic American muscle car. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 478 cubic inch big block Chevy engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission, delivering consistent and reliable power for competitive racing. The engine setup includes alcohol injection with a gas primer, along with high-performance Brodix heads, ensuring strong output and efficiency on the track. The car is equipped with a full race setup, including a delay box system, electric shifter, and a parachute for high-speed braking. It also features a lightweight fiberglass front clip while retaining glass windshield and rear window, helping reduce weight without sacrificing structure. With a total weight of approximately 2,600 pounds without driver, this Camaro is built for speed and efficiency. Performance is proven with time slips showing consistent 5.90-second runs in the 8th mile under good conditions, making it a competitive bracket car. The engine has less than 100 passes, indicating relatively fresh mechanical condition. This Camaro is a complete, turnkey drag car offering strong performance, solid build quality, and excellent value for racing enthusiasts.